So far we have created lots manually by going into the lot view, pressing the plus button. Now we want to import lots automatically. There are two options to do this. The first one is to copy and paste an Excel sheet or similar spreadsheet from your ERP system, your shop system, or something like that. For example, you might have orders like this, where you have a SKU, a PO number, and other information for the snowboards. I select it all, I copy it, and now I go into Optio and I paste it instead of creating a lot. So when it says paste event detected, I press yes, and I can see my data in a table format. Now, because I've been doing this before, it already recognizes the individual fields. So this is the name, this is the description, this is the binding type, and this is the end date. If I want to change things, I have the ability to click on any of the column headers and then select an additional field. So in this case, we might use this number here as the tip angle. Now we press validate lots, and we see all of the lots are successfully recognized. And when I press create all lots, the lots show up in the lot view. You can also import lots via XML files exported from your ERP system or another software that you use on the shop floor. For this, I again press plus lot, but now select import CSV XML, and now I can provide either a CSV file or an XML file. So we have the file pending orders here, and same thing. Now this time though, it also imported the column headers. What I can do, I right click on this and say delete row because I don't want to import those. I also have the ability to press clear here to select a different field. Now I can only show those fields that are not already assigned. So let's say I want to swap name and description. I will go and delete the name field first, clear it, and now I have the ability to make this the name and this the description field. And now validate the lots, and here we are. We can now import the 10 lots this way via the XML file. So here you see we have now the names from the description field, and in the other lots that we imported we have the names being the SKUs.